Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to round up in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here if I enter this value here where it says 12.8, so in round up, if we do round up of this value here, then the correct value will be 13. Okay, so how we can basically round up in Excel as well. So you have to enter this roundup formula that is built in Excel. You will enter equal to and then you will type here round up and then you will select the cell basically, so this one, and then you will enter 0 here and then you will close your bracket, and when you click on the next sheet here you can see that we have this 13 value. Okay, because after point we have a value greater than 5. So that's how to round up on Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.